As everyone in our industry is learning how to transform to an online, no-touch sales approach, it is critical to remember that your customers are still buying accessories for their automobile purchase. The only question is if they're going to buy them from you or from someone else. Showing your customers accessories has never been easier. The transition to online accessory selling is a seamless process that will allow your customers to pick out the accessories they want for their new or used car. In most cases, they can either finance or residualize the cost of the accessories into their loan. I'm now going to show you how easy it is to showcase your accessories to your customers who are buying online. While it might be helpful to be on the phone with them when they do this, it isn't necessary. Some customers will prefer to review their options on their own. Before you talk to your customers about accessories, go to your personal URL and log in. This is the same process you would use if your customer was with you in the showroom. Once you're logged in, a box pops up for you to create an account for your customer. Type in their first name, their last name, their email address, and their phone number. Since you're logged in, your name will show up in the salesperson drop-down on the right side. You will create a username and password for your customer. Use the same format every time. For username, use all lowercase letters, first initial of their first name, full last name, and the last 4 digits of their phone number. Create a password based on your store's already decided on requirements. Click Continue. Once your customer agrees to buy their car and before they get into finance, copy the URL at the top of the screen and send it to your customer. Also send them the username and password you created for them. Have them go to the site, click Login, and enter the credentials you sent them. Once they do that, have them build the exact car they have chosen to buy. They will choose the year, make, model, submodel, and the color. Once they do that, their vehicle will pop up. Notice at the top, there is a Builder and an All Accessories tab. The Builder will showcase the configurable assets that, when chosen, will appear on their vehicle. This way, they can actually visualize what their vehicle will look like with the accessories they chose. As an example, click the Roof button on the left, and then Cargo Management. Let's click the first result, the upright roof bicycle carrier. First, notice that the system tells you that the crossbars and side rails are required. This ensures that your customer knows that the full cost is $560, not the $216 for just the carrier. Click the Approve button, then click Add, and you'll see the item added to the customer's vehicle. Notice that there are 3 angles from which the items can be viewed: straight on, from the rear, and from the front. Let your customer know that before they finish, they should click the All Accessories tab at the top. This shows every single item that is available for their vehicle. Encourage them to scroll through the items and click the Add button under each item they choose. When your customer is done shopping, their order processing is as easy as any of the great online vendors that they use every day, if not easier. All they need to do is click the Continue button at the bottom of the page to open up the shopping cart. Here they can print a copy of the order for themselves if they'd like, then hit Continue. On the left-hand side of the form that pops up, the customer's information will automatically show up. The customer can choose to add comments and their VIN, or just hit Submit Order. That's it. At this point, the salesperson, the parts manager, and the service manager will receive an email with the details of the order. The salesperson should then print out the order, add the VIN, and add that copy to your deal jacket, or they can email the order directly to the finance manager if you are working from home. That's it. Remember, customers who are buying cars are still interested in customizing them, and with sales down in nearly every dealership across the country, it's never been more important to hold as much gross as possible in each deal. This makes sure that the dealership stays healthy and the salespeople maximize their paychecks. Thank you for watching. For more info and best practices and tips, visit our website at insigniagroup.com. You can also find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.